Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to answer which placement is most effective, feed or stories and reels. Good for me, good for you. I have access to very big spending accounts, which I'm sometimes managing, sometimes I'm part of the team because they're huge and I'm a freelancer and I don't have 20 people to manage those accounts. But anyway, it's good because we have access to big data, which means that we're going to go into my PC, we're going to analyze in this account which placements are getting more spent. Is it the feed, is it the reels, is it the stories? Are you going to get anything out of it? No, because we're going to use automatic placements and stuff, but maybe if you know that reels, for example, are working better, you can do better creatives for the reels.
Yeah.
Maybe. So this is something that we're going to check now by breaking down a very big spend from another account that's spending a lot. The results are from 2025 and I will see you on my PC. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that they are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month. Sometimes it's even more across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends. And this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below. You can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So we're in this ad account, which is having a huge spend from the 1st of April of 2025 until the date that I'm video shooting this. We're having 12 million spent over here to 2.10 ROAS, 25 million. Please, for the love of God, don't focus on things like this, the 0.34. There are many reasons that I have campaigns like this. We're going to focus in campaigns with normal ROAS first of all, and not with retargeting campaigns like this one, the second one. Just focus on the video. These ad accounts are big. If you know from my other videos, we're working with average results. There are specific reasons for that, but there are also other needs that we are covering. Let's go first of all and let's pick the campaigns that we want to see. The second one is retargeting. We don't need it. This one is good. This one, it's good. We need to take also this one. We just want to explore, you know. We don't want to overdo it. We have this one, and we want them also to have some decent spend. Okay, so let's take this one also. I will remove this one. Okay, so let's filter by selection over here. Okay, perfect. So in this one over here, we're having these spends over here, and now we can break down. The reason that I'm selecting them like this is because it's going to take forever. It has many campaigns. So on the breakdown over here, we can just see by placement what kind of results we are having. Let's take the first campaign and let's see where we're getting most of the spend, okay? I would like to put them by amount spent over here. So it's already filtered and we're going to see where it's spending more. We can see that the biggest spend is being spent on the feed over here, Facebook feed. And we have also the reels, which are actually spending another 900K. And then we have another 300K on the feed. And then we go Instagram stories and Instagram reels. So for this one, for sure, the winner is going to be the feed. We can see that it has spent more money over here. Let's see a little bit the results. Also, not that it matters, but again, as I said, we're going to use anyway automatic placements at the end of the day, but still it's really nice to know what's happening. So I can see over here that the reels, they do spend less. We are having more spend and even better results on the Facebook feed. What do we get from that? Because maybe there's another brand which is going to have completely different results. We're going to go on another brand later, and we're going to maybe see, my guess is that we're going to see that it's going to have more spend on Instagram, but I'm not sure about, we will check. So here we can see that the real winner is actually the feed. In both cases, in this case, it's also Facebook. And we do have all the other placement spending. you can see that we can have even sales on some. If you're spending a lot of money, you can find sales even on in-stream video, explore, native banner on Nadin's network, reward video, and all of that. But only if you have huge spends, you're going to see this kind of stuff and sales on this kind of placements. You're not going to see this kind of results on any other. We have also another 14K on the categorized. Crazy stuff. Okay, but the amounts, oh no, this is the 14 rows. Sorry, it's 0.24. Sorry, Facebook. Sorry, I didn't wanna say something bad. So again, what do we have here? Facebook feed. We can see that we have 400K spent over here. The feed over here, the reels come later on Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram reels. We can see that it's always second. All of these are in app, which means from mobile, and we have also on desktop over here. Again, another win for those. Facebook feed again, reels, stories and stuff. We can see we have the same story. Let's see if we can find any renegade over here that is having something different. No guys, it's exactly the same. This ad account is having an older audience, so I will try now to go in another account with a newer audience. Okay, let's go in another account. This is having results from the 1st of April until now. Again, I'm not going to tell you what day this video is being video shooted. We have 237K over here on a spend, almost 1 million in revenue, 950K. And we're going to break down the results. I believe that this audience is a little bit younger, but we're going to see about that. So what do we have again? We have Facebook feed, Instagram feed. Now we don't have stories at all in between. We don't have Facebook stories here. We can see that the Facebook stories are coming later. So again, we have the feed, which is actually winning. Let's see also on the other ads. Facebook feed. Oh, Facebook feed, Facebook reels this time, Instagram feed. So it's more normal over here. We have Facebook feed, Instagram feed, again feed, Instagram reels. Reels won over here, the Instagram reels with Facebook feed, which is what I told you about the younger audience, that I believe that we will have something like this. Facebook feed again. Let's continue. Instagram reels over here. So we do see that sometimes the Instagram reels are winning, but not always. Facebook feeds. Okay, so it's more of a mixed situation. Sometimes we have the Instagram reels being the winner, but most of the times we can see that Facebook feed is. Let's go now to another brand, which I'm sure that it has much younger people, okay? So let's see. Let's check this one, 1st of May, okay? And let's start seeing what we have. We do have some campaigns over here. Let's break down the results and see what kind of results we are actually having. Let's go to the placement. Okay, so the situation is different here. We have Instagram stories, Instagram feed, then we have Facebook feed, then we have Instagram reels, and then we have Facebook. Let's see if this is the case with the others. Again, Instagram feed this time, Instagram reels, okay? So then we have Facebook feed, which is on the 3rd place again. Let's continue. This time we have Facebook feed. So Facebook feed is really strong even on the younger. We can see it sometimes winning. But here on the younger ages, we can see that Instagram is actually winning more comparing to the other brands that they were appealing more to older people. I don't know if I'm excited and it's only interesting for me, but for me it's really interesting. At least when I was starting learning about Facebook ads, I would die for information like this. I hope that this is helping you also. Maybe if you have younger ages, maybe you need to focus more on the creatives that you do on the Instagram, for example, comparing to Facebook. But for sure, Facebook, while we think that, do you use Facebook? I don't. Personally, I don't use Facebook. I haven't used it since I've been in the army. I have never used it after some point. And to be honest with you, I'm even watching some of my old posts because for some reason back in the day we had to say our opinion on Facebook about things that were happening, and it's super cringe. I'm not using Facebook at all, but we can see over here that Facebook is the leader over here on the sales comparing to Instagram. Then we have again Instagram stories, Instagram feed. We can see that in the younger ages it's winning, it's having it's better, but for sure it's not like Facebook feed is falling really behind. You can see they're actually spending kind of the same. We can see over here they're spending Facebook feed. It's a little bit behind here. But for sure over here we can see that yes, we can have Instagram winning actually Facebook feed if we are talking about younger generations, and we can see that sometimes even the Instagram Reels are the ones that they're getting more spent, like over here Instagram Stories for example, they're getting more spent comparing to the Facebook and Instagram feed. So this is a very good find. I have a brand with kids clothing and I haven't analyzed it, so let's go and discover together. Okay, so this is a kids clothing brand, so let's see what moms are actually preferring, Instagram or Facebook Reels or feed. So let's break down the results. We have results again from the 1st of May. We have 3.49. Kids clothing is an amazing niche. I'm not going to expand any further. If you're thinking of it and if you have ideas about it, go for it. Good profit margins and stuff. If you have good products, you're going to do well. Instagram stories, Instagram feed, we can see that Instagram is actually winning here. The stories, they have a compelling 31k spend comparing to the 6k spend of feed. So in this one, which is photos actually, this one is also photos. So Instagram stories, again, huge difference. Then the second is Facebook feed. So here from Instagram stories we're getting most of our sales. Here we have Instagram feed, then Facebook feed. This is a catalog, just so you know. Maybe this is why it's working better. This is photos, again Instagram stories, Instagram feed with a very big difference. What do we have here? We have again photos, Instagram stories. We have here photos, Instagram stories. Again, Instagram stories with other photos. This is Instagram feed and Instagram stories. So we know that we have a clear winner. Now that we know that it's photos and catalog and stuff, let me try to find a brand which is actually having videos so that we can try and see what's the difference over there. So in this ad account, I have gathered only campaigns with videos. We have 1 million spent over here, almost 1.8. What we're going to see by breaking down, if we took on the placement, this is an older audience, and then I will take you to a younger audience with videos only. So this is, as we can see, Facebook feed is just winning everything over here, okay? Facebook feed again, 68 with 43k spent over here on Facebook Reels, which is second. So Facebook Reels is always second over here. Let's continue. We have Facebook feed, Facebook Reels. We don't see Facebook stories, okay? We see Reels. So on Facebook we have feeds and Reels working, not stories. On Instagram we have more the Instagram stories working. The Instagram Reels are working on the bigger ages. And on the younger people, we have the Instagram stories working more. Facebook Reels, over here it's first, actually, comparing to Facebook feed, just for a little bit. This one, Facebook feed, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels again, Facebook feed, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. Okay, let's go now to the last brand for today that we're going to see, which is having younger audience. We know that Instagram is winning there, but we're going to see only videos. I couldn't find a lot because it's a clothing brand and we run mostly images, but for the videos that we're using, let's see the breakdown. We have from the 1st of March 132k spent, almost 300k. So I think it's enough to have some idea of what's working. Okay, so comparing to the previous one, because we have checked before, we had Instagram stories actually winning on the others, and here we can see that with the videos we have Instagram feed winning. Let me see. Yes, we have Instagram feed and Instagram stories. We have over here Instagram feed, Instagram stories. We have a Facebook feed, but then again Instagram feed, but also kind of the same. And then we have some really low spend. So yeah, again it's Instagram feed and stuff. But if we check over here, if I take away the this one and I remove this one, and then we sort it by amount spent over here, and we start checking the breakdown from the 1st of March, we have almost 800k spent, and then we do the placement thing over here, we can see that we have mostly Instagram stories winning. This is Instagram feed, but this is video. Let's continue. This is statics, it's Facebook feed, Instagram stories, then Instagram feed. Okay, it's a fluke to the stick. Instagram stories, which this one is images. This is Instagram feed, but it's a catalog, just so you know, remarketing catalog. This is image, which is Instagram feed. This is catalog, it's Instagram feed. This is Instagram stories, which is a photo. Okay, cool. So let's summarize a little bit. From what we have seen, we know that on the younger people, it's mostly Instagram, and it's going to be Instagram stories when we're talking about images. For the catalogs, it's going to be mostly feed, and it's going to be for the videos also feed, Instagram for the younger people, and for the older people, we have mostly Facebook feed working. I haven't checked videos and stuff, but I think that it's mostly going to be Facebook feed working for the older people. And these are my remarks. This is a breakdown of, we have made this video for some reason really big for no reason, I guess, but I got carried away showing you results across accounts and what's the spend across the placements. So now you have a better idea with bigger spends if you have ever wondered. I hope that you find this content interesting. If you want something else which is related with big spend accounts and you cannot find it elsewhere and you want to ask, feel free to let me know in the comments. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course, and you can check inside this kind of funny stuff that I like to analyze about Facebook ads, from the daily loop theory, the crazy method optimization, chosen 5 sessions and all of that. And you can check below all the reviews from the people that they have completed the course and how much they love it. And thank you very much. There's a new video coming also for the Black Friday, so that you can know what kind of strategy you're going to have. I'm going to have also a YouTube video version, but a little bit more of the secrets inside the course. And don't forget that I have also my mentorship programs. Most of them are full right now. You can check below the reviews from the people that they have completed it and how much they like it, but it's Q4 and more people want to work with me on their ad accounts one-on-one. The spots are limited, but let me know your needs and maybe we'll find a way. I don't promise anything. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.